Let me ask you something real quick. Why do some people seem to attract wealth like it's coded into their DNA, while others, despite working 60-hour weeks, can barely breathe financially? No, it's not luck. And it's not just about hustle either. It's about a rigged system, subtle lies dressed up as financial advice, and hidden rules that were never meant for you to win. The truth is, poverty is not just a condition, it's a program. One that's installed early, repeated often, and rarely questioned. But today, we're going to question everything. Welcome to Wealth Sentry, where we unlock hidden secrets to wealth and success. This is not your average list of tips and tricks. These are 10 money secrets that keep you stuck, stressed, and struggling, and the truth the rich pray you never figure out. Let's dig into it. 1. Saving money will make you rich. The comfortable lie. Picture this. You're 12 years old. You just got $10 for mowing a lawn. Your parents smile and say, "Now be smart, save that money." Fast forward 20 years. You've been doing this smart thing your whole life, saving every penny, avoiding luxuries, cutting coupons like a ninja. Yet somehow you're still stuck. Because here's the truth. Saving money doesn't make you rich. It makes the bank rich. While you proudly stack cash in a savings account earning 0.01%, inflation is quietly robbing you blind. The rich? They never park their money. They deploy it. They buy assets that grow, stocks, real estate, businesses. They're not saving for a rainy day. They're building weatherproof empires. 2. Get a good job and stay there. The loyalty trap. Now, imagine someone doing that for 40 years, hoping one day they'll be free. But here's the problem. Jobs were never designed to make you rich. They were designed to keep you just comfortable enough to live. The wealthiest people don't work jobs. They create value, solve problems, and build systems that earn money while they sleep. A job pays your bills, but a system? That pays your freedom. 3. Debt is always bad. The half-truth that costs you millions. Most people fear debt like it's a disease. And to be fair, bad debt, credit cards, payday loans, 12-month iPhones on finance is toxic. But guess what? The rich don't avoid debt, they weaponize it. Let's say you borrow $200,000 from the bank. The average person thinks, that's risky. I'll owe interest. The wealthy think, that's leverage. I can buy a rental property that pays me monthly cash flow and grows in value. Debt isn't evil. Stupidity with debt is evil. There's a difference. Understand it, and the doors of wealth swing wide open. 4. Budgeting alone will save you. The scarcity mindset. You ever meet someone who's mastered the art of budgeting? They track every cent, skip every latte, and still can't breathe at the end of the month. Here's why. You can't budget your way out of poverty if you never increase your income. Yes, control your spending. That's level 1. But level 2, the wealth level, is income generation. The rich don't clip coupons. They negotiate better deals. Start side businesses. Build equity. They're not asking, how do I shrink? They're asking, how do I expand? And that's the question that builds empires. 5. Play it safe, the silent killer of wealth. We're taught to avoid risk. Don't bet the house. Don't chase big dreams. Be realistic. But tell me, what did safety ever get you? A modest paycheck? A 3% annual raise? Retirement at 67 if you're lucky? Here's what the rich understand. Real wealth is found on the other side of intelligent risk. Let me repeat that again. Real wealth is found on the other side of intelligent risk. That doesn't mean reckless gambling. It means betting on yourself, starting that business, making that investment. The poor are taught to fear the unknown. The wealthy? They run toward it, prepared, strategic, but unafraid. 6. Your salary equals your worth. The identity scam. Let's say you make $80,000 a year. Solid, right? But if your lifestyle costs $82,000, you're in the red. Now flip it. You make $40,000 a year, but you've built passive income streams, hold appreciating assets, and your net worth climbs monthly. Who's really winning? The world has confused income with wealth. Your salary is what someone pays to buy your time. Your wealth? That's what you're building when you stop trading hours for dollars. Don't just chase paychecks. Build permanence. 7. Just work harder. The most dangerous lie of all. Let's be honest. If hard work guaranteed wealth, every farmer, janitor, and construction worker would be a billionaire. But they're not. Why, you ask? Because working hard doesn't matter if you're working on the wrong thing. The rich don't hustle blindly. They build leverage. They choose high-value skills. They own systems instead of renting their time. The world isn't fair, but it is tilted toward those who understand how to work, not just how much. 8. Avoid money. It's dirty. The poverty programming. Growing up, how often did you hear, "Money isn't everything. Rich people are greedy. I'd rather be happy than rich." And just like that, your brain starts associating wealth with shame. But let me ask you something. Can you build schools without money? Feed the hungry? Support your parents? Buy back your time? Money is not evil. It's a tool. And when good people have money, good things happen. Stop demonizing wealth and start realizing it's your responsibility to master money, not avoid it. Wait your turn, the biggest scam in the game. You've been told to wait. Wait until you're older. Wait until you get the degree. Wait until someone gives you permission. But while you're waiting, the clock is ticking. And someone else is out there taking action, less talented, less qualified, but more aggressive. The wealthy don't wait. They move while others hesitate. They understand that the cost of inaction is far greater than the fear of failure. The longer you wait to start, the longer you wait to win. 10. Someone else will handle it. The final trap. Here's what keeps most people poor. They outsource responsibility. They trust schools to teach them about money. They let employers control their income. They rely on government systems to provide safety. But the wealthy? They take full ownership of their destiny. They self-educate. They build buffers. They plan generationally. The difference between poor and rich isn't just money. It's mindset. It's ownership. It's knowing that no one's coming to save you, but you don't need them to. The system is not broken, it's built this way. But now that you've seen the wiring behind the wall, the choice is yours. Stay plugged into a life of quiet financial despair, or unplug, reprogram, and rebuild. Because wealth isn't about luck. It's about clarity. It's about courage. And it's about the decision to do things differently, starting today. Set a 5-year freedom metric. How much passive income do you need to cover your monthly expenses completely? Write that number down. Reverse engineer the investments or businesses that will get you there. That's your real goal, not just a bigger paycheck. So, which of these lies did you grow up believing? Which one are you ready to break today? Drop a comment and let's open up the conversation. And if you're ready to challenge the lies and unlock your true financial potential, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay close. This is Wealth Sentry, where we don't play the money game, we rewrite the rules.